ingredients. Hi.
Hey, the Jello looked pretty good.
The Jello's kind of fun.
Yep. There's my Saturday night. A little bit of Jello and a waffle thing. I'm in.
You got to put some spray whipped cream on it,
Spray whipped cream.
Yeah.
Right? Cheese on top, cheese and Jello.
Maybe fold it up like a taco.
Now you're
Eat it
talking.
like a Jello taco. Okay. Markella is back with me. So we're going to talk about Prepology again with a silicone steamer that also comes with a removable divider. So now we're working smarter, not harder here.
Exactly.
And getting more accomplished. So you're saving $5. First day at this price is $14.99, and it is $3 on your 5 easy pays. Heat safe up to 450 degrees. The divider up to 212. It's K95953. I do have some colors for you. The Prepology colors we know and love. I have it for you in the tomato, which I'll show you in just a sec. Or we can show you the aqua. Okay, there's the aqua. Here's the tomato. It's hard to see against my my pink. 1,000 the tomato. There's the aqua. Don't burn yourself.
Nope.
500 in the aqua. Do we have the cracked pepper?
Oh. We don't. Oh, we have
here
right
it is.
There it is.
There's the cracked pepper.
Perfect.
1,000 in the cracked pepper.
I love
Okay.
it.
Why? Tell me all about it.
Every kitchen needs a steamer. It's
Yeah.
a great, healthy way to cook. And if you have a look at the veggies here, I mean, we haven't boiled away any of the nutrients, the flavor, especially the colors. They just pop. And I got to tell you, Prepology's done it again. I'm going to switch places so I can take people on a tour of this.
Please,
Listen, this is in 25 years and about a dozen countries and a bunch of shopping channels. I'll tell you something. This is one of the most versatile steamer baskets I've ever seen, and here's why. It's going to adjust to the size of your pot. So here's the full kind of expanded size of it, okay? This is great for your 8-quart pressure cooker, your larger pots and pans, right? And you're also going to get that divider. Now, the divider comes in 2 different pieces that you can either combine or leave separate to separate this into 2 chambers or 4. So listen, different people can decide on different things. No more fighting over who wants what for dinner. You can keep flavors away from each other. Remember, this is silicone, so it's not going to pick up odors or colors or anything like that. But here is what makes this magic. Let's say you don't have a giant pot or you don't have an 8-quart pressure cooker. Listen, there's 2 folding ridges right here. Do you see that? There's kind of 2 folding ridges.
Yeah.
If I fold the first one down, all I do is work it around, work it around, work it around. Now I've got what I need for about a 6-quart pot or a smaller air fryer. Everything is still vented and the divider still fits. But I'm going to do you one better. I like to say I'm not stopping there. Let me go ahead and bring this back up. If I decide to fold it on the smaller one, watch what happens. And again, same thing. All I do is work it around. And now I've got a steamer that'll fit in a fry pan or a smaller pan. So you don't need different size steamers for different size cookware. This is going to do it all. And the divider still fits. Prepology thinks of everything. So listen, when it comes time to do those eggs, and by the way, pressure cookers are great for hard-boiled eggs.
Are they?
Absolutely. Best you'll ever do. 13 minutes, all done.
I didn't know that.
They're great. So now all you're going to do is take this out of there. You've got all of those little drain holes around the side. Now I can take it right in, put it in the cold water, make it super easy to peel. It's so simple. It's so versatile. And instead of bamboo, which can wear out over time, it can break, it can snap, silicone's never going to do that. This is dishwasher safe. You never have to worry about it wearing and tearing. And look at how small that profile is for a steamer that's going to fit that much food, and not just one, but 4 separate foods. I love what Prepology's done with a simple steamer basket.
This is brilliant.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that really is. If you wanted to do like a seafood boil, maybe, like you could do like clams in one, mussels in one, shrimp
So I
in
love
one.
adding stuff to my kitchen that kind of expands my cooking repertoire and gives me that a chance, an opportunity to experience restaurant-style dishes at home that I don't want to pay that money for anymore. So have you ever been to one of those restaurants where they bang the pot and they bring it on out with that seafood thing? It's so much fun. Here, you take this, you bang that pot. I did one. You go ahead and bang that. I'm going to be the server that comes out with that great seafood boil, and we're just going to go ahead and knock that right on there. I've got my clams, my sausage, my corn, my potato, the whole 9 yards. Let me take that out of there. There we go. Guys, this is so much fun. It's so versatile. The amount of food that you can do is just out of this world. Isn't that wonderful?
And he let me bang the pot.
And you bang the pot. It makes it so much fun. Let me tell you something. And listen, that's silicone. That means that whatever mess you've got inside there, it's going to be super simple to clean. And if the wipe doesn't do it for you, just go ahead and pop it in the dishwasher.
Okay.
Couldn't be simpler, couldn't be easier.
Okay, now do you have to use all 4 dividers at once, or can you make it into 2?
Exactly. So have a look here.
Okay.
Here we've got it divided into 2. So again, you can keep your bao buns or your, isn't that ours? Isn't that our
Are those the
little
pot
dumplings?
stickers?
Yeah, the little pot stickers. And the color. Look at what
Perfect gourmet.
steaming does to the color. So let's talk about heat tolerance, okay?
Okay.
The silicone, good to go, no worries. The plastic inserts are good to, I think it's about 212, which is the temperature of boiling water. So you're all set. It's a steamer. So let's go ahead, get that on there just like that. And again, the color of the broccoli, the perfection of a steamed kind of Asian dish. I don't have to go out and spend 30, 40, 50 bucks, whatever it is, because at the restaurant, all they're doing is steaming it. So now you can do it at home. There's so many great grocery stores out there, so many great markets where you can get so many different authentic foods that you can now do at home. So again, you can go ahead and drop 30 bucks at a restaurant for that, or with the most versatile steaming basket I think I've ever seen, you can do
like
it at
this
home.
before, honestly. So you're looking at the tomato right there. Next to the tomato, we have it in this. It's going to be too hot for me.
No. Oh,
look,
Stay
it's
cool
not.
handles. Look at
Stay
you
cool
covering my mistakes. Look at you.
This is going to be your aqua. And look how flexy it is. And then we have the cracked pepper that's here in the water with the eggs.
Perfect. And again, look at that.
Oh, yeah,
the
look at
holes
that.
are all down the side. So not only is it steaming, it's also straining. And I'm going to show you this one more time. 2 ridges on here.
Yeah, show me this again.
So you can go ahead and use those big pressure cookers or your large pots and pans. This is going to accommodate you and what you have in your kitchen. So now we've got the smaller, the 6-quart pans, the smaller pressure cookers. Or let's go ahead and pop this right up. By the way, if you've got a round air fryer, this is a great air fryer insert if it fits in your air fryer. Now I've got a steaming basket that'll fit in my large kind of frying pans or saute pans. The point is, Prepology has made a steamer basket for everybody. No checking what you have first, no wondering if it's going to work with what you got. And look at that profile. It's not bamboo, it's not wood, it's not metal, it's not going to degrade, it's not going to disintegrate, it's not going to break or snap. This is going to go ahead and be with you as long as you love steaming your food. And that insert with the 2 options is out of this world.
How much water do you add when you steam?
Well, you've got about 1.5 inches on the bottom that's going to hold it up off of the bottom. That's going to give you about a 45-minute steam on a low boil.
So that's all you need?
Yep, that's about 2 cups.
Okay, thank you for that. It's a $3 easy pay, cracked pepper, aqua, and tomato. It is K95953. Now, Mark, I think this is your last item, right?
Thanks for a great day. How much fun was this?